Hi everyone, please take note of the following disclaimer. Please note that this video is for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes. It does not constitute financial advice. We are not registered financial advisors. It's Fun Day Monday, everyone. Another week, another Monday, another strategy Bitcoin purchase. This time a pretty small one. So they have bought 1,031 Bitcoin here at the price of 74,326. Right now, as I'm filming this, it's about 71,000. So if we look at what they used to purchase these Bitcoins, it's all the MSTR common stock ATM. So no purchases with Stretch. That's completely normal because Stretch has not been back over $100 all of last week. So you see no buys. But today, on the 23rd of March, I see that Stretch is already jumped to very close to 100 already at 99.93 right now. So it's going to get there, and as soon as it gets back to it, it's going to start issuing more and more Stretch shares to buy more Bitcoin. So we'll keep an eye on that. In terms of if this buy was dilutive or accretive, we go to the strategy tracker and we go to the sats per share. And if we switch it to, I guess, day over day, we'll actually see that the latest purchase was super slightly accretive. So we went from 201,692 sats per MSTR share to 201,695. So slightly accretive. So in case people are still thinking that these purchases with the MSTR common stock are dilutive, they're dumb, they don't know what they're talking about. We have now a a fraction, literally a fraction more Bitcoin per share per MSTR share, which just means it's accretive, even though it's very small. And that doesn't surprise me because I don't even know how they did it, by the way, to make it accretive, because of the MNAV here, 117. Very small premium, but regardless, it was still a good Bitcoin buy. So looking forward to the Stretch getting back to 100 here. And I think the really big news that caught my attention, I am on bitcointreasuries.net. When I saw this, I had to read the article twice because I'm like, what? How's that possible? Strategy announces plan to raise $42 billion. Holy crap. So if everything in this article is correct, which I'm assuming it is, looks like they could authorize up to 21 billion purchases, 21 billion worth from their common stock MSTR ATM, and then another 21 billion for Stretch, to raise money for Stretch, which just means $42 billion, which at these prices could mean plus 586,000 Bitcoin. Holy smokes. That means if this goes through, if this actually happens, I don't know if it's going to do it all in one shot, but that would mean Strategy or MSTR would have way past 1 million Bitcoin, way past 6% of the total Bitcoin supply, the most aggressive whatever in history. I mean, it could be absolutely crazy if this happens. So we'll keep an eye on it. But either way, every time I go on this website, I just see the little arrows, mostly green arrows going up for every publicly listed. This is the top 100 publicly listed companies buying Bitcoin. Obviously, Strategy's at number one. And I also see this number go up as well slowly. It's at 1.18 million. So just gonna keep on trucking. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the latest purchase, which was again a very small purchase, but still another 1,000 Bitcoin out of circulation. Tiny bit accretive to MSTR shareholders, not dilutive. That's good news. But the exciting news is that maybe things are gonna start unwinding in Iran. So there was a kind of a big jump everywhere this morning when I woke up, for equities and stocks and everything, gold, even gold, and of course Bitcoin. But I was pleasantly surprised to see a nice big jump in STRC. We'll see if they start buying this week using STRC, which of course is going to lead to much more. And then of course there's the big news here. So you guys like the monthly, the weekly Monday update? Let me know if you guys want me to keep doing that. Are you keep stacking MSTR shares like me via MSTE, Harvest ETFs. I'll probably pick some up tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow. Maybe some other little bad news comes out. There's a little bit of a dip. Obviously, it's always nice to buy more MSTE shares during a red day. So see you again next week, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, stay passive, stay honorable.